Hey everyone, Mitchell J, the Scaredy Cat Guide, and the altcoins are catching a bid while Bitcoin basically falls flat. Good times. So here's the Bitcoin chart. I'm zoomed in a little bit. As you can see, we did get a green candle yesterday. That candle closed about an hour or so ago, and so far we're starting red. But the bottom line is, even over the last like 3 days, you can see like Bitcoin still isn't higher than where it was, the beginning of the week, or I should say Sunday. Um, Basically, it's going sideways. While now we see positive progression out of the likes of Ethereum. Ethereum surpassed this prior little high and is, got into this prior range, essentially above the support. It's, above these wicks, and it's kind of into the opening closing prices here, this last bottom. So that is good. Ideally, we'd like to see it actually go a little bit higher. If it can get into the 430s and establish, um, like 435 or so, that'd be better. But the bottom line is, this is positive. It essentially finally, made a bigger move in terms of the bounce. Nothing to get super excited about. I mean, it's not like we're getting any kind of big volume move. But the bottom line is, this is the first bit of positive price action we've seen in a while. So, we got over this little previous bounce, if you want to call it that. It's not much of a win, but it's a win. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if it can essentially establish up into these 430s, stay above the 405, 410 support line area, and build some momentum. What else? Coins like Neo also this quite well over the last week. Look at that, bounced from 44, up to basically 60. Ironically, looking like a reversal candle. Might get a pullback here. We'll see. Could pull back to 53. But EOS, another one. EOS is ripped, like ripped. Look at this big body candle. Huge volume. Someone was all about getting some EOS. That is a big body candle on some big volume. Someone bought into the EOS project. So we'll see. This new candle, like I said, it's only an hour or two old and it's consolidating. If it can consolidate in the top third of this candle, that is very positive. It can make a run at this $10 support resistance line. Obviously there's two resistance now. But anyway, the point is, a lot of the altcoins, and there's others, are making moves. They're moving higher, and Bitcoin is still doing nothing. So that doesn't make me super happy. So it's the same thing. I mean, it needs to get above 74, 7,500, and see if we can make a run at 8, and that would be positive price action. Otherwise, we want to see it essentially, it's stuck in this tight range now, and like 64, 6,500 is becoming an area. I'd like to see it stay above that, because if it breaks below that, then likely we go down to 5,900. So, same price points. We're just grinding sideways on Bitcoin. I just wanted to point out that, we got some positive moves in some of the altcoins and some of the bigger name altcoins like Ethereum and Neo, and even EOS at this point. So we'll see if, Bitcoin wants to join in. Scrolling through the news, this is fun. I looked at this earlier. Someone is, what is it? JP Morgan is getting sued for charging crypto buyers surprise fees. That's back when they started treating crypto buyers with your credit card as cash advances, with giving very poor disclosure of that. So apparently now there's a class action lawsuit that started somewhere in America. Good times. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll put links in the show notes as usual for the intro to Bitcoin ebook, and then of course the crypto class, showing the charting principles that I kind of use all the time. Alrighty then, until the next video.